This stunning Victorian semi-detached home in Balham seamlessly blends classic charm with contemporary design, creating an inviting and highly functional living space. The heart of the home is undoubtedly the expansive 84 square meter kitchen and living area, which features a magnificent 5-meter kitchen island, a focal point for both culinary endeavors and social gatherings. This vast open-plan space is further enhanced by 8-meter bifold doors that dissolve the boundary between indoors and out, flooding the interior with natural light and offering seamless access to the large garden. The interior design embraces a modern aesthetic. Characterized by clean lines and sophisticated finishes. The polished concrete floors throughout the main living areas contribute to the contemporary feel while offering durability and a chic, industrial edge. Thoughtfully curated modern art pieces adorn the walls, adding splashes of color and personality to the minimalist backdrop. An inviting open fireplace provides a cozy counterpoint to the modern scheme, offering warmth and a focal point for relaxation. The interior designer responsible for this space has clearly prioritized both aesthetics and livability, creating a home that is as beautiful as it is practical. Their vision has transformed a traditional Victorian layout into a dynamic, open-plan environment that caters to modern lifestyles. A bespoke Poggenpohl kitchen, renowned for its sleek design and high-quality craftsmanship, serves as a testament to this commitment to modern luxury. The choice of materials, from the polished concrete to the Poggenpohl cabinetry, speaks to a desire for enduring quality and timeless style. Beyond the main living areas, the home offers 4 comfortable bedrooms, providing ample private retreats. A dedicated TV basement room offers additional versatile living space, perfect for entertainment or a quiet escape.